Good morning, friend. In last lecture we have discussed related with the angles, type of angles and some definition related with the angles, that is acute angle, right angle, obtuse angle. Afterward, vertical opposite angle, adjacent angle. So now today we want to discuss related with the lines. So in first lecture we know the information related line, ray, line segment. Generally we are describing line with, or we have to say line AB, ray AB. So we have to make arrow, or we have to say ray AB. And line segment AB, line segment AB, or we have to write line segment AB. And sometime in symbol we have to say it is line L, make 2 point. Ray, we have to say A, B, and line segment. These are all the relation with the line, ray and line segment. Because we want to discuss today topic is intersecting line and non-intersecting line. By using this we make a angle. So in last lecture we have got definition of angles, that is A, B and C. So here A is a vertex, AB is a ray, AC is a ray. Now our main topic that we want to start, that is line, intersecting lines and non-intersecting line. So if you will see that intersecting lines, we will now two main point today we have to discuss. Intersecting lines. So someone asks which lines are intersecting. So already we have seen in figure 1. There are two different lines. We can say name of a line is either by symbol. We can say PQ and RS. That way we intersect. Or we have to say line PQ and line RS. So these are all the intersecting line, and we have to say some point O. Here lines are called parallel. Why? Because they are not intersect. But difference between these two lines, that is distance between these two lines, is always same. Distance between these two lines is same every time. So now definition related with the it. So two lines, one is called intersecting line, another is called parallel line, or we can say non-intersecting line. First of the lines, according to the line definition, notion of line means definition of line. It extends indefinitely on both sides. So first information related line. So here it arrow is there. So we can say that they are indefinitely in both direction. So line PQ and line R, figure 6.1, 6.51 intersecting lines, and in figure 5.6.52 they are so two definition. First of all, intersecting line and non-intersecting line. According to the notion, indefinitely on both sides. Length of common perpendicular at different point on these parallel lines are same. That is important for us. are not. Length of the common perpendicular at different point on these parallel lines is the same. This equal length is called distance between two parallel lines. So either we have to understand or we have to know that અત્યારે આપણે ખબર પડી કે two type of intersecting lines are there. એક parallel હોય ને એક non-parallel હોય. Parallel lines are called non-intersecting lines. Intersecting lines are called intersecting. In parallel line, difference between two lines is always same. Now, next topic, that is pair of angles. Already we have discussed in last lecture pair of angle. So pair of angle, some pair of angles such as complementary angle, supplementary angles, adjacent angles, and linear pair of angle, and vertical opposite angle is also a pair. So these are type of called pair of angle. In supplementary angle we know that. In complementary angle sum of two angle, complementary angle sum of two angle is 90 degree. Sum of two angle, sum of two angles, pair. Here we are discussing about the pair. Now supplementary. In supplementary we know that it is 180 sum of. Adjacent angle, linear pair. Again linear pair. This is linear pair. If I will write 68 here and 128 here, then linear pair sum is also 180. So can you think some relation between these angles? કે આ બધાના relation શું છે? So supplementary is also called linear. Supplementary angle reference, linear pair angle is also called supplementary angle. કેમ કે linear pair નો sum 180, supplementary નો પણ 180. Now we have to go through deeply. Draw a figure in which rays stand on a line as shown in figure 6.6. Name the line as AB. So આ એક line AB છે. And ray as a OC. એક OC as a ray. By using lines and ray. By using lines and rays, we generate linear pair. Lines as AB and ray as a OC. What are the angle formed by the point O? How many angles are there? So we can say AOC. So here it is AOC. BOC. Here it is BOC. And AOB. But we know that sum of two angle, આ બેનું પ્લસ કરીએ તો we can get AOB. Can we write? Okay, yes. Why we can write like that? Because it is related with the adjacent angle. Already we know that common arms હોય, which has a common arms. But બે opposite direction માં non-common arms are there. A non-common arm, that is A and here. It is non-common arms. So they are in opposite direction. Then we can say linear pair. Yes, refer to adjacent angle in section 6.2. What is the measure of AOB? It is always 180. Why? Because it is a linear pair. શું છે? Linear pair છે. So always remember that AOC plus BOC is equal to 180. We can say linear pair. Because non-common arms are in opposite direction, so it make a straight line. Straight angle is always કેવું હોય? 180. Straight angle થઈ જાય છે, so it is 180. One axiom is there, it is not necessary to prove. If two rays stand on line, then the sum of two adjacent angles so formed is 180. So sum of two adjacent angles is 180, then they are called linear pair angle. So these are all the figure. Now you will see that keep the ruler along one of the non-common arms in each case. Does the other non-common arms also lie along the ruler? So if you will see here, it is called adjacent. Adjacent angle kevai. Adjacent angle. It is also called adjacent angle. But here it is now ruler So we can say linear pair. Here it is linear pair. So this is the information related the complementary, supplementary and linear pair. Adjacent angle is different. Now if the sum of two adjacent angle is 180, then the non-common arms angle form a line. Sum of two adjacent angle is 180. Sum of two adjacent angle. આવી રીતે હોય. So here it is. Here A, O, B and C. Say AOC plus BOC, if it is 180, then non-common arms form the line. Now theorem that is important and maybe possible in your exam it should be asked. So you have to learn anyhow, or we can say important. If two lines intersect each other, then the vertical opposite angles are equal. If two lines intersect each other, so here two lines are intersect, then vertical opposites are, which angles are there? AOD and BOC. So two pairs of vertical opposite angles are here. If two lines intersect each other, then the vertical opposite angles are equal. Proof. In the statement above, it is given that two lines intersect each other. So let AB and CD two lines intersecting at O. So here two lines are there. They are intersecting at O. Now two pairs. If you will see A, so if you will say 1, 2, 3 and 4 angles are there. So we can say 1 angle and 3 angle. So angle 1, angle 3, angle 2, angle 4. Now if you will see the angle number 1, that is AOD. So here AOD. Angle number 3, that is BOC. That is BOC. So it is second pair. So we can say two pair. Now angle 2, that is angle 2, that is DOB. So here BOD. And AOC. So we can say two pair of angles are there. Two pair of vertical opposite angle. Two pair of vertical opposite angle. We have to prove that they are equal. That we have to prove. What I have to prove? We have to prove that we need to prove. So that is we need to prove. How prove karvano? Angle AOC is equal to BOD or angle AOD is equal to BOC. Now a ray OA stand on line CD. I'm CD line. Here it is CD. Here from here it is CD line. And OA is a ray on it. So if we'll make a, I will take off banai de. Now C, O, D and A. So it's a linear pair. So we can say that AOC plus AOD is equal to 180 because it is a linear pair. So we can say 180. Now again some બીજું એક બનાવી દઈશું. A, O, B and D. Now angle AOD plus BOD is also 180. Why? It is also a linear pair. So AOC plus AOD is equal to 180. AOD plus BOD is equal to 180. So now comparing equation 1 and equation 2. Now comparing equation 1 and 2. If you will see equation 1 and 2 ne compare kariye, so we can get AOC plus angle AOD is equal to angle AOD plus angle BOD. So AOD cut. So વૈધું શું તો કે angle AOC is equal to angle BOD. So we can get AOC is equal to BOD. So that is a explanation that we have proved. Now we have read it. So here AOC plus AOD 180. Again AOD plus BOD already I am writing. That is equation 1 and 2. Here we have an rub kadan. Only say linear pair axiom. Now comparing 1 and 2, AOD cut. Say AOC equal to BOD. Same way we can prove another. When you prove the theorem, put symbol like that. So you in your fair book you have to write theorem 6.1. Now based on sum. Ana based na sum છે. So here different way is given, but we have to solve by different way. આમાં જે solve કર્યું એવી રીતે નહીં કરવાનું. હું જે કરાવું તે રીતે કરશું. Figure is there. So we know that two linear pairs are there. Now we have to see POR. So here POR. So we can say it is a 5x. ROQ. So ROQ. Here we can say 7x. So it's a linear pair. So we have to say 180. So that is given solution. Solution અહીંયા લખું છું. Solution. Angle POR plus angle ROQ is equal to 180. Now already we have taken that let the angle be x. Let angle be x. So POR કેટલું છે? POR 5. So we have to say 5x. ROQ, that is 7x, is given as a 180. So 5 plus 7, that is 12x, is equal to 180. So AX is equal to 180 divided by 12. So 12 ones are 12. 12 5s are. So x is equal to 15. Now we have to find out POR. So POR is equal to 5 into x. That is 5 into 15. That is 75. Now POR, vertical opposite angles are there. So POR is equal to SOQ. So angle POR is equal to angle SOQ is equal to 75. We have to say vertical opposite angles are according to theorem 6.1. Vertical opposite angles are equal. Now angle ROQ, that is 7x. So 7 into 15, that is 105. Now again it is 105. Then who is 105 again? Okay, POS. So angle ROQ is equal to angle POS is equal to 105. We have to say vertical opposite angle. So આવી રીતે કરવાનું. આની અંદર આપ્યું it is a old method because the big book is manufactured in 2005. 2005 ની બુક છે એમાં જે કરેક્શન છે એ એટલા ન હોય છે એટલે we have to find out different way. So clear it or not? It is easy. Now example 1, now we have to see the exercise. In exercise we have to see same type of sum. So we can get same answer but different way. Now question number, we have to start exercise 6.1. So first of all, BOD in figure 6.13, lines AB and CD intersect at O, that is given. So two lines, that is AB and CD. If AOC plus BOE, so AOC plus B, here it is BOE 70, and BOD, so BOD that is 40. Now by using this, find BOE. So we have to find out BOE at X, we can say it is X. That we have to find out. And CO, reflex of COE, anu reflex. So first of all we have to find out the BOE. So first you will see that vertical opposite angle. So what I have to write? First I am write AB and CD intersect at O. So angle AOC is equal to angle BOD is equal to 40. Vertical opposite angle. Vertical opposite angle. So here it is 40. So now AOC is 40, therefore we can find out easily BOE. AOC plus BOE is given is equal to 70. So AOC plus BOE is equal to 70. Now AOC, that already we have got 40, plus angle BOE is equal to 70. Therefore BOE is equal to 70 minus 40, that is 30 degree. So BOE is equal to 30 degree. Now we have to find out the reflex of COE. So first of all we have to find out the COE. Then we can go through reflex of it. So to find out COE, you will see that I am making question mark at here. Now you will see that is a straight line. So 40 plus question mark plus 30, that is 70 plus dash, but here it is a linear pair. So what I have to write? Angle AOC plus angle COE plus angle BOE is equal to 180. Now AOC, that is 40. COE, that we have to find out. Plus here it is 30 is equal to 180. So COE is equal to 180 minus 70. That is 110. So COE is equal to 110. Now we have to get the reflex of. So reflex of COE, reflex of COE is equal to, we know that greater than 180, less than 360. So we have to subtract 360 minus 110. That is 250. So 250 is the reflex of CO is greater than 180 and smaller than 360. So important sum, only 3 sums according to the reduced syllabus. જે syllabus reduce થઈ ગયો છે એના પ્રમાણે તમારે આની અંદરથી 3 જ સમ કરવાના છે, first, second and third. So we have completed first. You have to write it properly. તમારે આખે આખો આ લખી લેવો જોઈએ. Now we go for second. So again same, whenever angles are there, we have to take the ratio. So if you will see that here it is a 90. So 90. And vertical opposite angle, that is B is equal to MOX is equal to XON. So what we have to find out? C. So XON mare find out karvanu છે. But if I will find out B, then it is a linear pair. B plus A is equal to 180. So how we can find out B? A plus B, first of all we have to find out, because POY is equal to 90. Here it is 90. Then another angle XOP is also 90. Therefore, angle XOP is also 90. Now XOP means how many angles? XOM. So angle XOM plus angle POM is equal to 90 degree. Now XOM, that is B. So that B. Here POM, that is A, is equal to 90. Now B means what? 3. So I have to write 3x. A means what? 2. I have to write 2x. So 5x is equal to 90. Therefore x is equal to 90 divided by 5. So 18 5s are 90. So 18 5s are 90, that is x equal to 18 degree. Now we have to find out B. So B is equal to 3x. So that is 3 into 18. That is 54. So angle B is equal to 54. Now I have to find out the C. So before we start C, I have to write B plus C is also 180. In bracket, I have to write linear pair. I have to write linear pair. So linear pair B plus C. So what is angle B? That is 54. B plus C is equal to 180. So C is equal to 180 minus 54. That is 126. So C angle is 126. So all figure based are logically. આ બધા logically હોય. તમારા અગર if you want to go for software line માં જવું હોય તો તમારે logic full strong રાખવું પડે. Then we can get clear. Now question number 3. Prove that. Generally prove ઓછા છે, but here it is easy, so we can easily solve. 6 sums are there, I think. So out of 6 we have to do only first, second and third. Fourth, fifth, sixth એમાં નથી. Now that is given. Angle PQR is equal to PRQ. We have to prove this. P PQS is equal to LRT. So પહેલા તો આપણે here two linear pairs are there. If you will see, એક linear pair છે S Q R P. It is a linear pair. Again here it is Q R T P. Again it is a linear pair. P R T is equal to P Q P R P R Q. So આ two linear pairs ને હું લખીશ angle S, or we can say P Q S plus angle P Q R is equal to 180. Is equal to 180. That is equation number 1. Now અહીંયા આના રીતે discuss કરીએ. Then PRT plus PRQ is equal to 180. That is second. We have to write linear pair. Again at here I have to write linear pair. Now comparing equation 1 and 2. આ બેને શું કરીશું? Compare કરીશું. So comparing equation 1 and 2. Comparing equation 1 and 2. PQS plus PQR is equal to PRT plus PRQ. Now this is third equation. Comparing equation 1 and 2. Comparing equation 1 and 2, PQS plus PQR is equal to PRT plus PRQ. Now use this and આપણે use કરવાનું. PQR is equal to PRQ. PQR. So PQR is equal to PRQ. Both are equal, so we can remove it. Therefore, PQS is equal to PRT. PQS is equal to PRT. So we will see that all are easy sum if you will go through logically. So when after Diwali vacation, it means when the vacation is reopened, we have started 6 lessons, and according to the syllabus reduced in 6 lessons, we have to go through exercise 6.1, question 1, 2 and 3 and theorem 6.1. That is already I have cleared it. So this is sufficient for first. I think it is second lecture, and in next lecture we go through one new exercise, that is before we start parallel lines and transversal line.